All right. I'm going to a 12:30 meeting at a property where they've had previous foundation repair done within a year, right at about a year ago, the guy said. And the work is failing, coming apart, and the contractor that did the work is not honoring the warranty. And after spending $10,000, the guy's a little upset, so he called me and I'm going to come out there and look at it. So this video goes out to all the homeowners out there that's paid a lot of your hard-earned money that should be in the savings account that's wasted on foundation repair. Call King Piers. I can be reached at 816-288.
Go past this light. Then use the right lane to take a slight right turn to merge onto US 69 South.
Okay. 816-288-4373. You can go to our website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.
Woot woot.